Anson County, Montgomery County, northwestern Richmond County, Randolph County, Stanley County, southwestern Guilford County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Lexington to Flylert to near Marshall, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Albemarle around 1:50 p.m. Thomasville around 1:55 p.m. Waitsboro, Maiden Lake, and Eatonville around 2 p.m. Asheboro and Troy around 2:20 p.m. Randleman around 2:25 p.m. Seagrove around 2:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Blewett Falls Lake, Trinity, Steves, El Dorado, and Baden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Davidson, Guilford, Montgomery, Randolph, Richmond, and Stanley. Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, Moore County, Western Orange County, East Central Anson County, Montgomery County, Northern Richmond County, Randolph County, Southeastern Guilford County, West Central Lee County, Western Chatham County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles south of McLeonsville to 6 miles west of Seagrove to 9 miles east of Ansonville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Seagrove around 2:25 p.m. North Carolina Zoo and McLeonsville around 2:30 p.m. Elon around 2:40 p.m. Burlington and Graham around 2:50 p.m. Siler City, Pinehurst, and Nevin around 3 p.m. Southern Pines around 3:05 p.m. Hillsboro around 3:10 p.m. Carthage around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Steves, Alamance, Harper's Crossroads, Covington, and Pekin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Anson, Chatham, Guilford, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Orange, Randolph, and Richmond. Thunderstorm warning for Central Moore County in Central North Carolina, Southern Person County in Central North Carolina, Orange County in Central North Carolina, Harnett County in Central North Carolina, Southern Granville County in Central North Carolina, Lee County in Central North Carolina, Wake County in Central North Carolina, Northern Hope County in Central North Carolina, Chatham County in Central North Carolina, Durham County in Central North Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Severe thunderstorms will be near Stanford and Hillsboro around 3:10 p.m. Rosemont around 3:25 p.m. Butler around 3:40 p.m. Creedmoor and Schuylkill Arena around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lanier, Parkwood. These storms have a history of reducing wind damage and flooding. Stay away from windows. Warning has been issued until 4 p.m. North Carolina, Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Person County in central North Carolina, Vance County in central North Carolina, western Warren County in central North Carolina, Granville County in central North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And Steel Creek Marina and Campground.
Essential to all departments, be advised we have a severe thunderstorm warning on the eastern part of the county for the next 45 minutes. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning on the eastern part of the county for the next 45 minutes. It's clear 50-30.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County in central North Carolina, Warren County in central North Carolina, western Nash County in central North Carolina, northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeastern Granville County in central North Carolina, northern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, central Wake County in central North Carolina, western Wilson County in central North Carolina, Johnston County in central North Carolina, Franklin County in central North Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Thunderstorms will be near Oxford and Garner around 4:05 p.m. Henderson, Lakewood, and Kitchen around 4:15 p.m. Around 4:20 p.m. Around 4:30 p.m. Godwin around 4:40 p.m. Around 4:45 p.m. Immediately around 4:50 p.m. Benson around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Island, Benson, Falcon, and Eastern Daylight Time. Fayetteville around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cleveland around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Godwin around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Warrenton and Orleans around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dunn and Bailey around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Benson around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Pilot, Gilbert, Lake Benson, Falcon, and Selma. Sampson County, Eastern Harnett County, Ashland County, Cumberland County, Palisades County, Johnston County, until 6 p.m. At 4:42 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Danbury to near Fields and near Rooks, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact damage is expected. Expect wind damage to subsequent homes and businesses from falling trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near around 4:50 p.m. Jerome around 5:05 p.m. Roanoke Rapids and Fremont around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Islandburg, March Mac, Sallenberg, Stevenson, Mountain Clear, for your protection room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Edgecombe, Franklin, Halifax, Harnett, Johnston, Nash, Sampson, Warren, Wayne, and Wilson.